gentlemen, right here, right now, we got Air Antilles coming all the way from the island of Dominica. Get ready. Yes. And yes, indeed, this is Incel Air. This aircraft was supposed to be landing at 11:45, aka 10:45 in you guys' time. But ladies and gentlemen, Incel Air is coming all the way from the Dutch Caribbean island, as also known as Curacao. Jägermeister. Now, ladies and gentlemen, looking over to your left once again, we got another aircraft coming in, number 25, number 25. Your food is ready. Number 25, wherever you are, your food is ready. Yes, we got another aircraft coming in. So what this is, one time me another Incel here. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Air Caribs. I have no idea where this airplane is coming from. It's time for us to start packing up to get up out of here. So for those of you in the water, we're calling you inside. Yes, 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 yes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, right here, right now, we have a private jet. Somebody rich and famous is in town. I just don't know who. Get down lower. Damn.